Welcome. Oh, aku makan ayam adobo. Apa itu ayam adobo, astaga?
Latihan mendengarkan. Perasaan kesal masih menyelimuti ketika pembicaraan yang belum selesai disela berkali-kali, padahal penjelasanku masih berada di prolog, belum tuntas.
Selamat pagi, latihan mendengarkan. Perasaan kesal menyelimuti ketika pembicaraan jam belum selesai disela berkali-kali, padahal penjelasanku masih ada di perokok. Perokok. Belum tuntas. Ini hari kamu bilang dengan cepat dong, sulit dipahami deh.
Assalamualaikum, selamat pagi, apa kabar semuanya? Hai Guru,
Hmm.
Guru,
Hmm.
kalau kamu membicarakan seperti itu yang tadi kamu untuk mendengarkan latihan, ya kalau begitu itu sangat sulit untuk dipahami. Ya itu benar kalau ini sangat sulit kalau kamu membicarakan seperti itu. Oh, dan yakin itu sangat sulit untuk dipahami oleh orang-orang boleh seperti saya, khusus siapapun di luar Indonesia. Itu sangat sulit. Mungkin mereka atau saya paham sedikit, hanya hanya bisa memahaminya sedikit aja. Dan apalagi, dan aku mohon Guru, kamu harus bicarakan dengan cara yang pelan-pelan supaya semua mengerti. Ya, itu penting. Semua harus mengerti dan bisa cara begitu yang lebih gampang dan bagus untuk orang-orang siapapun suka belajar bahasa Indonesia. Hahaha. Jangan tersangunnya. Satu hal lagi. Tapi ini menurut beta, maksud saya beta artinya itu saya
Udah
atau
tahu.
aku
Udah
di
tahu.
sini. Itu menurut saya kalau kalau kamu bisa, kalau kamu uh, bilang dengan cara yang pelan-pelan, itu lebih bagus untuk murid-murid seperti saya. Mungkin ini hanya untuk bagi saya, mungkin kamu tahu deh, itu mungkin sedikit sulit. Ini sangat susah kalau kamu ngomong begitu. Lu aku ingin mengerti, kamu harus bicara pelan-pelan.
Iya, paham.
Ya, saya ingat lagi satu kata. Meskipun saya udah lama tinggal di Indonesia, tapi masih susah kalau orang-orang berbicara dengan cara cepat seperti itu. Aku nggak ngerti sama sekali.
Oke. Oke, Martin, percobaan bagus. Kemarin kamu menebaknya dengan sempurna, makanya hari ini kecepatannya saya naikkan. Bulan ini tanggal 11 saya insya Allah datang ke Indonesia. Salam. Itu memang saya sengaja, Martin. Kalau kamu menebaknya dengan sempurna terus, kamu akan bosan belajar di sini. Oh, mantap Faisal. Ke kota manakah tujuanmu? Jakarta? Bali? Jakarta. Bukan, pokoknya kalau murid-murid tidak mengerti supaya itu membuat mereka bosan untuk belajar nih. Semoga sukses selalu ya Faisal. Gimana? Larry, what is the programming language developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems and named after the type of coffee from Indonesia? I have no idea. There's a whole Indonesian national park named for what ginormous, terrifying lizard that anagrams to good road monk? I have no idea. What unofficial state nickname of Connecticut refers to a spice that is native to Indonesia? I have no idea. The largest living species of lizard is named after which Indonesian island? Komodo mungkin, gak tahu lah. In 1967, Singapore formed the Association of Southeast Asian Nations with Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and what archipelagic country? No idea. One woman's search for everything across Italy, India, and Indonesia is the original subtitle of what best-selling 2006 memoir by Elizabeth Gilbert? I have no idea. What festively named island in the Indian Ocean, roughly 200 miles south of Indonesia, is one of Australia's 7 external territories? No idea. What is the largest city in Western Australia, which is actually closer to Bali, Indonesia, than to the Australian capital Canberra? Huh, no idea. What member of the monitor lizard family whose adult males can weigh as much as 200 pounds in the national animal of Indonesia? No idea. In the Indonesian dish nasi goreng, goreng means fried and nasi means what staple food? Rice. What high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language was indirectly named by designer James Gosling after the island on which the Indonesian capital city is located? Java. Named one of the new 7 wonders of nature in the late 2000s, Komodo Island is the famous home of the namesake largest lizard on Earth that's located within what Southeast Asian country that's capital is Jakarta, Indonesia, of course. What 9-letter P word means a person from Singapore, Indonesia, or Malaysia of mixed local and foreign, usually Chinese ancestry? P apa ya? No idea. 2007 summit in Whidbey Island of Indonesia created an action to plan to have a global climate change deal by 2009. This island is an oft-cited vacation destination due to its climate and beaches. B? What B? Bali? What Southeast Asian country is made up of over 7,000 islands, about 7,000 of which do not have anyone living on them? Indonesia. Coinciding with its Independence Day on August 17, Indonesia will officially be inaugurating Nusantara as the nation's capital, replacing what Japanese city in that capacity? Jakarta, of course. In 2022, what country announced that the name of its new capital planned for the region of East Kalimantan on the island of Borneo would be named Nusantara? The new city will be much more centrally located than its current capital, the largest city in Southeast Asia. Of course, Indonesia. In January 2018, a partial building collapse. At what type of financial institution injured over 80 in Jakarta, Indonesia? I have no idea. Coir is a material often used in mattresses around the world that is made from coconuts. What island nation is the current world leader in coconut production with more than 180 million tons annually? Probably Java or Sumatra, I have no idea. One of the greatest drivers of deforestation in Indonesia and other Southeast Asian countries is the planting of monocultures of what type of tree from which oil is produced. Probably sawit. Sawit itu apa ya dalam bahasa Inggris ya? Nggak tahu lah. Sawit mungkin. As of 2022, which country is the number one exporter of coal in the world? No idea. Probably Indonesia. In a 2019 Forbes magazine article, the beaches, volcanoes, Komodo dragons, and jungle sheltering elephants, orangutans, and tigers of what Indonesian island made it number one on a list of the top 50 bucket list travel destinations? I don't know, probably Java. No idea. Or Bali. No idea. About 13% of Muslims around the world live in what country, which is by far the largest Muslim majority nation in the world? Probably Pakistan or Indonesia, no idea. Coffee plants were introduced to the Indonesian islands of Java, Sumatra, and Sulawesi by what European nation in the 17th century? Dutch? No idea. What five-letter acronym refers to an economic organization of nations, including Indonesia, Cambodia, and the Philippines, among other, includes some of the world's fastest growing economies? No idea, probably ASEAN, I don't know. Unlike other islands in Indonesia, what island got its coffee industry going not by Dutch colonial plantation, but by plants imported by traders from the island of Lombok in the early 20th century? No idea, bro. No idea. What trench located off the coast of Indonesia contains the deepest point in the Indian Ocean with a depth of 25,344 feet? No idea, ya Allah, no idea. What Southeast Asian nation will move their capital to the newly created city of Nusantara on East Kalimantan by 2024 because their current capital and largest city is sinking at a rate of 6 inches per year? Indonesia. The equator runs through Ecuador and 12 other countries. Name one that is not in South America. In Kalimantan lah. The Oceania country of Papua New Guinea has maritime borders. However, it only has one land border with which other country? Indonesia. Which city in Indonesia nicknamed the Big Durian was formerly known as Batavia? Jakarta. Masa iya sih? Masa nickname-nya the Big Durian? I have no idea. What art form? The practice of dyeing cloth by using dye-resistant wax to make patterns is recognized as an ancient cultural tradition of Indonesia. No idea, bro. What sea is genus of large flightless bird, the largest species of which is only smaller than the ostrich and the emu that is found in the tropical forests of Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and Australia? These birds are considered dangerous due to being able to kick powerfully with their sharp claws. I don't know lah, probably Garuda or something. An apex predator due to its size, the Komodo dragon gets its name for an island in which country? No idea, probably Indonesia. What Indonesian art form involves dyeing cloth on which wax patterns have been laid down, creating design where the wax resists the dye. No idea, bro. The Indonesian ayam cemani breed of chicken, often called the most expensive chicken in the world, is specifically bred for its coloring. The feathers, beak, feet, and even meat of the ayam cemani chicken are what color? Black, of course. Ayam cemani always black. With more 852 living languages, passing Indonesia's 722. What oceanic country is home to more languages than any other? No idea. Garuda, one of the national symbols of Indonesia, is the animal ridden by what Hindu god known as the Persever. Probably Siwa or some. I don't know. The fungus Rhizobus oligosporus is used as the starter to ferment soybeans, which take on a cake form as they become what traditional Japanese protein? Tempe lah, probably. Dating from the 8th and 9th centuries, what massive three-tiered complex in central Java is one of the largest Buddhist temple in the world? Probably Borobudur, bro, I don't know. Featuring scenes set in Karangasem, East Bali, what 2012 film stars Tyler Perry as the titular detective, a creation of American author James Patterson? No idea, bro. What film? No idea. In music, what G words means a traditional Indonesian orchestra, especially one that contains a number of percussion instruments such as xylophones, gongs, and drums? Apa ya? No idea. Oh my gosh. Larry. What is the name of the traditional Malaysian martial art that combines elements of dance and combat? No idea. Which UNESCO World Heritage Site in Malaysia is known for its 113-million-year-old rainforest and its diverse flora and fauna? No idea. In Malaysia, what is the name of the traditional puppet shadow play that is performed using light and shadow on a screen? Probably wayang, bro. I don't know. What is the name of the mountain in Malaysia that is the highest peak in Southeast Asia? Huh? No idea. Malaysia is one of the world's largest producers of what edible fruit which is known for its strong odor? Probably durian, bro. I don't know. The city of Georgetown, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located on which island in Malaysia? No idea. What is the name of the royal palace that served as the official residence of the Yang di-Pertuan Agong, the monarch of Malaysia? No idea. What traditional Malaysian woven fabric, often featuring intricate patterns and vibrant colors, is commonly worn during special occasions? I don't know. Which Malaysian festival, also known as the Festival of Lights, is celebrated by the Tamil community in October or November? Forgot. I don't know. What is the official language of Malaysia, which is also spoken in Indonesia, Brunei, and Singapore? Melayu lah, apalagi. What ancient trade route passed through the Strait of Malacca, making it one of the most important waterways in the world? Ya itulah, Selat Malaka, nggak tahu lah. The Petronas Tower in Kuala Lumpur were once the tallest buildings in the world. Who designed them? No idea. What is the name of the annual festival in Malaysia that celebrates the Hindu deity Thaipusam with elaborate procession and acts of self-mortification? I have no idea. Which Malaysian island is known for its unique biodiversity, including the endangered orangutan and the world's largest flower, the Rafflesia. Probably Borneo, bro. I don't know. What is the name of the Malaysian dish made with rice cooked in coconut milk, often served with anchovies, peanuts, boiled egg, cucumber, and sambal? No idea. Which Malaysian state is known for its caves, particularly the Mulu Caves, which are among the largest and longest cave system in the world? No idea. What was the name of the agreement signed in 1948 that led to the formation of the Federation of Malaya, which later became Malaysia? I have no idea. What traditional Malaysian dessert is made from shaved ice, palm sugar, coconut milk, and various toppings such as red beans and jelly? No idea. The Bornean pygmy elephant, the smallest elephant species in Asia, is native to which part of Malaysia? Probably Borneo, bro, I don't know. Which Malaysian city is known as the Silicon Valley of the East due to its thriving electronics industry? Larry. What is the name of the ancient civilization that flourished in the Indus Valley region, now part of modern-day Pakistan, around 2500 BCE? No idea. Which famous Pakistani poet is known as the Poet of the East and played a significant role in inspiring the Pakistan movement? No idea. What is the name of the highest peak in Pakistan and the second highest mountain in the world? No idea. What ancient city in Pakistan is known for its well-preserved ruins and is considered one of the most important archaeological sites in South Asia? No idea. Which river, the longest in Pakistan, flows from Tibet through India and Pakistan into the Arabian Sea? No idea. The historic Badashi Mosque, one of the largest mosques in the world, is located in which Pakistani city? No way. No idea. What is the name of the traditional Pakistani dress that consists of a long tunic and trousers often worn by both men and women? No idea. Which Pakistani Nobel laureate is known for his contributions of theoretical physics, specifically in the field of electroweak theory? No idea. What is the name of the traditional Pakistani music genre that combines classical music with devotional poetry, often performed by Sufi musicians? No idea. In what year did Pakistan become an independent nation following the partition of British India? 70s, bro. Right. What is the name of the region in northern Pakistan known for its breathtaking landscape, including the Hanza Valley and the Karakoram Range? No idea. Which Pakistani city is known as the City of Saints due to its numerous Sufi shrines and mausoleums? No idea. The UNESCO World Heritage Site of Rohtas Fort, known for its massive defensive walls and gates, was built by which ruler? No idea. What is the name of the traditional hand-embroidered textile art from the Sindh region of Pakistan? No idea. Which Pakistan city is home to the Faisal Mosque, one of the largest mosques in the world, named after a Saudi king? No idea. What is the name of the famous desert in Pakistan that spans parts of the Sindh and Punjab province? No idea. Who was the first female prime minister of Pakistan and the first woman to head a democratic government in a Muslim majority country? No idea. The Mughal era Shalimar Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are located in which Pakistani city? No idea. What is the name of the traditional Pakistani bread made from whole wheat flour, often cooked in a clay often called a tandoor? No idea. Which historic battle fought in 327 BCE marked the first major clash between Alexander the Great and the ancient Indian king Porus in the region now part of Pakistan? No idea. Share with your friends. This is not knowledge. This is only questions, Yash. Larry, why? Why do you have to share this?
Bagaimana saya bisa menjelaskan untuk kamu? Oke, anyway, dari pengalaman saya, kalau belajar bahasa atau tentang apapun mau belajar itu tidak masalah. Kalau bagaimanapun itu menjadi sulit dan pasti itu sangat bosan untuk pelajar dan itu membuat pelajar tidak tertarik lagi. Nah ini begitu. Kalau cara yang gampang supaya mereka setiap hari belajar, supaya mereka belajar yang benar dan saat mereka bisa sedikit berbicara atau tentang apapun mereka mau membahaskan. Dan setelah itu mereka sangat tertarik untuk belajar. Tapi sekarang harus pelan-pelan aja. Jangan boro-boro. Itu bukan bahasa Tang Mader. Itu bukan sulit. Mungkin untuk saya itu bahasa Indonesia sekarang tidak sulit. Ya, masih sulit. Tapi aku enggak ada masalah kalau communicate dengan orang-orang Indonesia, siapapun tidak bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris. Saya biasa pakai bahasa Indonesia, semua mengerti. Kalau pergi pasar, market, hospital, dimanapun aku pergi atau di rapat juga saya sudah beberapa kali saya mencoba bicara dengan bahasa Indonesia di sini. Semua mengerti maksud saya apa yang saya bilang. Sebelumnya saya praktis atau tulis, setelah itu saya ngomong aja begitu.
Oke, Martin.
Guru.
Ah,
Murid-muridmu semuanya malasan. Aduh, kamu juga sudah malas. Tidak angkat telepon. Kenapa? Tapi satu murid join, ikut kita berbicara, tapi dia bisa bicara bahasa Indonesia. Aku hanya pakai bahasa Inggris. Dulu saya berbicara dengan bahasa Indonesia. Dia bilang, aduh, aku enggak mengerti, Mister, I don't understand. Aku tidak mengerti. Then we continue in English, so it is so difficult. Itu sangat sulit pada dia untuk berbicara dalam bahasa Indonesia. Bagaimana kamu mengharapkan orang-orang murid-muridmu mengerti secara yang cepat kamu tadi pagi latihan yang tadi pagi maksud saya sulit sekali. Aduh, tapi bagi saya itu oke. Bercanda aja ya. Mungkin saya sudah gila, mungkin tidak. Anyway, ya aku mau tanya kenapa kamu tidak angkat dan tidak ikut untuk ngobrol, engaging in conversation.
May I request? Apa nih? Iya. Hah? Maaf bro, maksudku V, aku membutuhkannya. Iya, mau tolong apa sih? Abbreviations. VAQ frequently asked question. RIP rest in peace. BBQ barbecue. CEO Chief Executive Officer. QR code quick response. MBA Master of Business and Administration. RSVP please respond. Huh? Really? PhD Doctor of Philosophy. PDF portable document format. No, not you brother, I needed V. Apa aku bilang tentang HP ketika kamu di jalan? Ya, jangan digunakan. Bukankah sudah ku bilang, kalau mau telepon itu bikin janji dulu, bikin pengumuman. Lebih lambat. Bagaimana kamu tahu? Iya, please. Hanya 2 kata-kata setelah masih. Itu ujian karena kamu sudah berkali-kali menuliskannya dengan sempurna. Tidak, ini terlalu cepat. 2 kata setelah masih bukanlah kata-kata sama sekali. Mereka mengoceh. Keep in mind, apalagi nih Yash. Don't advertise your happy marriage on social media. Do not advertise pregnancy on social media. Don't advertise your kids' achievement on social media. Don't advertise your expensive buys on social media. Understand this about life. Not everyone is going to be happy for you. Most of the nice comments you get are just fake. You're just attracting the evil eye on you and your family. You're just attracting jealous people into your life. You don't know who's saving your pictures and checking your updates. You really need to stop this as because it might ruin your life, family, marriage, and career. Believe me, social media sometimes is the devil eyes, ears, and mouth. So don't fall into the devil's traps. Let a part of your life remain private. Thank you, Yash. We will keep in mind. Tulis saja apa yang kamu dengar, Zen. Latihan mendengarkan. Perasaan kesal masih menyelimuti ketika pembeciran jam belum selesai disalah berkali-kali. Padahal penjelasanku masih diperolok, belum tuntas diperolok. Percobaan bagus, sayang. Kamu tidak memberi kesempatan, Vi. Sekali-kali aku suka melihat kalian tidak menebak dengan benar. Nah ini ya, perasaan kesal masih menyelimuti ketika pembicaraan yang belum selesai disela berkali-kali. Padahal penjelasanku masih berada di prolog, belum tuntas.